How y'all doing today? I'm with my main man, John Akins with Central Florida Texture and Painting, and we're going to go out and check out what he's doing inside for Radford Homes on this duplex on the west side of Bartow. You can reach me at 863-410-0877. John, talk to him.
Good morning, folks. John Akins with Central Florida Texture Drywall Painting. What we're here today is we're going to show you the installation of drywall for this duplex right here. Come on inside.
John, stop right there. Let me get your shirt. All right, you can reach John at 863-651-8325. Check out his operation. It's all about drywall today.
All right, folks, as you can see, the guys has already started in the main living room here. What we do first is we put a couple nails in there to hold it up. And then we'll come back and run a line and shoot all the nails in there at one time.
So what is this down here, John?
This is the drywall ready to be installed.
Okay. Looking good. So, John, how long does it usually take you to do an application like this in a 1,500 square foot house?
For this job here, definitely 1 day. One and a half days, but this job right here be 1 day.
1 day?
We'll leave these open right here. We'll wrap these in. Once all the drywall is installed, then we'll wrap these up. This is for our bifold doors. We'll come back.
Could you explain to them, John, what you did by popping out the window sills? I mean, those.
Let's go over here so you can see that one.
Okay.
Here.
Show them the kitchen in here before you go, and show them the laundry room.
Here, this is the box-in ceiling. Little box this in here. And all this here will be drywall. And
show them the bathroom too, John. What about the installation, John? Who put that up?
Company installation. This has to be up on your exterior walls before drywall can go up. Bathroom here. They'll get to that next. And we'll do the ceiling and all the walls. For your interior walls, you don't have to have insulation, just on your exterior walls.
Oh, so that's why they don't have no insulation on the interior wall. Okay. Correct. Sounds good.
Let's go over to the other side.
All right, let's roll. Yeah, go on.
Alright, this is number 2 here. Exact same process, different food. They do it a little different.
John, grab your sign right there. All right, you can reach him where? 863-651-8325. All right. Keep it going, John.
Don't worry.
Hey, how you doing? She's hanging drywall too, right?
Shoot it again.
Yeah. All right, so we got it. What you doing, big dog? Well, let me talk to him. What you doing, man? You making it happen over here, man?
Taking all the cement down. Then we're gonna put a piece of 1 bar right here so we can nail it to the drywall.
All right. Appreciate that. Man, you got insulation, John? What is that kind of insulation there?
This is vapor shield. Basically has an aluminum piece here that reflects the heat from coming in and keeps the heat inside or the cool inside. So that's what reflects it off of this here.
All right. John, you drywalling this place up.
We ain't messing around. We gotta do it for Radford Homes. We gotta take care of it. A little process there.
All right, see my man standing on the stilts.
There you go.
Making it happen. Hola, ¿cómo está?
Muy bien, ¿y tú?
¿Y tú? ¿Cuándo te veo otra vez? That's all I know now.
No, I was gonna start going. No.
So what you doing today, man? I see you making it happen. What's up, Jose?
There's a crew leader here. There's in charge of you guys.
So right now we're working on this 100 boards, and the plan is to get it hung by the end of the day, all screwed in and everything ready for finishers to come in and get it done.
All right.
So we're talking about getting knocked out maybe before 4.
All right.
So it's only 4 of us, counting myself.
All right. Thank you.
There you go.
All right. John, we really appreciate you, what you're doing over here for Radford Homes. You also been going to a new building I'm building down the street, 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2,000 square feet. You're going to be hanging that immediately after you finish this, right?
Absolutely.
All right.
As soon as we get done here, we'll go down there and get that squared up and knock it out.
All right. Well, thank you, John.
How we doing? We finished, Mark? Yeah. What about the other side? Done over? Ray, you brought lunch?
John, could you show me what you're doing in that bathroom? Because you're going to cover that ceiling up in that bathroom, right?
Absolutely. Right here. This is where our vent is going to come up. This whole ceiling here will be drywall. And we'll make a small hole here so when the electrical guys come back and they can put the exhaust fan right here. And all of this will be drywalled up. The back side is going to be Durock.
Durock. Okay. Durock. All right. And as you can see, man, y'all making it happen over here, John. You put that insulation back up there, John?
Absolutely.
All right.
Oh, you know what? Let me make sure they know right there.
Get him, Jose! Yeah, baby. We're making it happen, y'all. Check us out. We're going to the new build after this. Jump. All right, you can reach John at 863-651-8325. Central Florida Texture and Paint. Knockdown, orange peel. Specialize in new construction, popcorn removal, painting, exterior, pressure washing, commercial and residential. He do all my jobs. All right, let's turn the music back on. Which one? How you turn this on?
Put volume up.
Where is that? Or here?
Yeah. Oh, that's from the cell phone.
Oh, okay. I'll come back later. No, John, take me inside there and tell me what you're doing in there, John. Talk to me for a second. What's inside this laundry room?
This laundry room, of course, as you can see, half of it is already drywalled up.
Uh-huh.
You guys will come back and knock in all the bottom. They're doing all the top on this side.
Can you explain the application of putting this drywall on the ceiling? Is it the same as the wall or what?
Absolutely. Basically, just got to get 2 strong people to just put it up, nail it up, and that's it. And then when you do your ceilings first, the wall will hold it up. Or it won't hold it up, but it helps support it.
All right. So, John, look at all the good installation that Combi Installation did in here for Radford Homes.
Looks awesome.
So this is not the R3 paper in here. This is the real deal installation, right, John?
Yes, this is our 30 installation here.
Go through there, John. Take them there and show them the kitchen. Check out John Akins going all through the house, y'all.
As you can see, the box in is already done.
Oh, you did the soffit. You closed the soffit in.
Yes, it is. And this is for our microwave.
All right, John. You're making it happen, man. I appreciate you and Jose and the whole team. Thank you, Jose.
You're welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hey, Brian.
Felix on the roof.
Oh, he's on the roof? Oh, he putting that paper up?
All right, John, anything you want to tell them real quick about what you do? You do popcorn removal. Just a lot of things that's going on. What talk to them, John?
Basically what my company does, we do popcorn removal, any drywall repair, new drywall installation. We paint, interior, exterior, residential, commercial, anything with those sorts. We even do water damage if we need to. So If you can reach us, 863-651-8325. Thank you.
All right, thanks, John.
Let me, I gotta make sure what is drywall. This is coming over here.
Jake, come and talk to the camera, Jake.
Yeah, I think that pops in. I don't know what he's doing. I think, somewhere. Let me give me a pop in real quick. Hey, Brian, take this out. Oh, you already took it out? Okay, thank you. I forgot to do that. There you go.
So, Brian, what you putting in? You putting in drywall screws?
Yep.
All right, Brian is knocking it out, y'all. Taking care of us. Hey, Jake, come on, Jake. John, explain what Brian is doing over there. I see you putting them drywall screws in there. That drill is already set to get it in there quick too, right?
Yep.
Talk to him, John.
It's automatic. Basically, he just loads it up and shoot it in there. It makes the job go a lot faster right here. He's well experienced.
So, John, how does he know he hitting those studs?
Because you can hear the sound into the gun. Otherwise, it wouldn't make that sound. You know, and plus, also, he's sinking it and then pulling it through.
So after he's done with that, John, you're going to mud and tape it, right?
Mud, tape it, and put some knockdown on it.
And put knockdown on it? You're going to spray this. You don't have a Harper. You have a commercial sprayer.
From a spray rig.
Spray rig.
Yep. We have a...
It's a $20,000 machine.
Absolutely.
It's good stuff, John. Hey, Felix, how you doing?
I'm doing good.
Felix is my main lead guy, y'all. He takes care of me on everything. He fills in the gaps. He's my carpenter. He put in cabinets. He does everything. So what are you working on, Felix?
I'm making sure that I look microwave wires in the right spot.
All right, did we get the water line ran for the refrigerator, Felix?
I don't know if it doesn't look like it. John was supposed to come run that.
All right, that's okay. We'll get it later. Let him go and get the drywall in there.
Hazme foto aquí mismito, yo meto el alambre por ahí para el microwave. Aquí mismito. A ver. Un fotito ahí, yo voy a empujar el alambre por ahí.
So, John, they're making sure the microwave wire goes through there.
Yeah, they put the drywall up, but we want to make sure we put the wire in the right spot.
Ahí está bien.
Okay. So, John, are you
gonna
going to...
get up there to
No. The vent, I'm gonna have them sheetrock it. Once I get my cabinets up, I cut out whatever I need, reach up, grab it, and put it through the
they're
cabinet.
good, so you already
They
know where
close
it's at.
that off.
So go ahead and mark this so you know where your line is. If you cut, or you already know.
Wherever the cabinets go.
John, let me ask you something. Are y'all going to sheetrock that soffit?
Absolutely. They're gonna do that probably as soon as we get out of their way.
Okay.
Well, let me make sure Felix that they get the other side over there.
Don't go nowhere. Hey, Jake, let me talk to you for a second, Jake. I recently noticed, Jake, that you used to have the flag when we first acquisitioned this building, and you was taking us through, and this building was in a hot mess.
It is.
It was, talk to them about it, Jake. Talk to them about the acquisition. We found this building. It was in a hard mess. I mean, you were the realtor on it, the broker on it. You brokered the deal along with Max. Talk to them about it.
We purchased the property. Now we're doing the full remodel on it. We walked you through the rundown, nasty house that it was. We tore this house all the way down to the studs. We even had to redo a bunch of the studs. They've re-stuccoed and added the nice pitch to the roof here on the side and the front and the back. We expanded the back out, added a big nice laundry room on the back of the house. So now they're working through. Stucco's been completed. Now the stucco's done. They're gonna drywall the inside. We're ready to put a kitchen. All new bathrooms. We're gonna paint all the way through. We got soffits coming in, whole bunch of work here. New AC system, electrical's been updated, the plumbing's been redone.
Yes.
This is gonna be, might as well be a brand new house.
Yes, exactly right. Let's take a look back here at the fence where they installed a new fence. They also put in a gate. That's your flag you had going through, Jake.
Flag right there.
Yeah.
Represent.
So finish talking to him, Jake, about this. The whole 9 yards. What we did. This is a full gut rehab, right?
Correct. This is a full gut. Down to the studs. As you can see, back to the property. This wasn't here before. We expanded this out, giving it 2 nice interior living rooms. Laundry rooms on the back of the house.
Yeah, go in that laundry room on the other side. Yeah, on the other side.
You want the other one?
Yeah, let's go to the other one. I've been in that one. Let's go in and talk to him about the laundry
I
room.
got like 5 minutes.
Okay.
So here's our other laundry room on the other side. It's got its own AC vent.
All right, y'all.
It's gonna be plumbed and have a nice hot water heater here. It's gonna be beautiful.
Come on in, John. Okay, we'll get it. All right. Thanks, Jake.
All right. See you.
All right. We got all our stuff out here. We got to get it knocked out, taken out. All right, folks. I'm going to have to let you go. But we'll talk to you later. If you have any questions, give us a call. Here's the new fence that we installed in the property right here with T. Gregory, who is the general contractor over this job. And he also owns Coach Bell Fencing. You can reach him at 863-294-6003. Shout out to T. Gregory, my general contractor. Last but not least, hi, I'm Greg, one half of Radford Homes, LLC. And my lovely and beautiful wife, Sabrina, well, you know the deal. She's the brains and the beauty behind the operation. Make no mistake about it. Luke 137, keep God first. You can do everything with it. Salute. And I'm out.